Hi, welcome back on my LEGO build channel, and in this video I will show you new LEGO technic leaks for 2024, and in this video I will show you only new space sets. And also before the video you can give me subscribe, because we'll go to 250 subscribers, and also thank you for the all 220 subscribers. And also you can give me a like, or you can write some comments to comments. And I think that's all. There are the new LEGO Technic sets for 2024, all space sets. Also you can see that the LEGO group made only 3 sets. The first set is LEGO 88 from 1988. And the second set is LEGO 8480 from 1996, and the last one is the set from this year, is LEGO 41 58 NASA Mars rover Perseverance from 2024 this year. The first half of the new year 2024 will be only with LEGO Technic space sets. And also you can see the other information and the picture of the Mars rover. And I think let's look on the another slide, and there are another information for the sets, and also the partnership with NASA. And also the most important information on this slide is on the first half of the next year will be 4 new models for March next year. And also it is the next stage of LEGO Technic with new LEGO space sets. You can read the all information. And I think, let's look on the last slide. Fine, and on this last slide there are all new LEGO Technic 2024 space set list. Also you can see all sets, only 4 new sets. And the last picture is from new LEGO Technic 41 81 with the heavy cargo spaceship LT-81, and you can see the picture of the set of this ship. And I think that's all for this video. I see you on the Friday, the new speed build video for Bugatti Bolide. Bye.